Okay, Alex will show to you kung paano yung magbubbles, but I do it first for you. Okay, ako muna ha. Tingnan niyo ko. Inhale. Then blow.
Blow.
1, 2, blow. Teka. Sige nga, practice muna tayo. Inhale. Close, blow. Okay. Remember, ang lalabas lang sa ilong is air. Kanina, pag-blow, may nag-balloon. Just, let go. Isipon. Mami, handa niyo mga ano nyo, ha? Okay lang naman may sipon. Kasi na lang. Okay, Alex, we show to you kung paano magbabot. Tingnan natin in 5 days. 55 Alex. 1, 2, 5. Oh, clap your hands, Alex. Kaya man yung gawin. Left and right foot. Okay, go, Alex. Kick. Kick. Ganon. Okay. And wait for yung pinapakot ko, Alex. And maybe, I just put my hands, and Alex will put her hands on the top of my palm, and I'll be asking her to kick na naka-face down. Face down. Kick. Fast. Okay. Kaya niyong gawin yan. Sino yung takot na mamasa yung mukha? Pwede na kayo umuwi. Okay. Banda lang doon. Doon.
Look at her, Daddy. Daddy, look at her.
Yeah? Okay. Then, kung pagod, just have the bubbles of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya nyo? Hard. Turuan yung mga matatanda. Takot sa tubig. Okay, Alex, we show to you flutter kick with the arm pull, but no breathing. Using head, no breathing. Set, go. Hinga. Hinga. Blow. Hinga. Blow. Continue, Alex. Continue, blow. Hinga. Clap your hands. Okay. You're so scary. You don't have to. Ready. Blow. No. 2. Blow. 3. Yun. Next, goggles. Lang naman to.
Listen na.
Straight hands. Straight hands. Yan. Yan, kick. Straight hands. Bubbles. Bubbles. Subukan mo.
Jem, listen na.